Hello everyone, it's me Khurram Fida here with you. Today in this video I'm gonna let you know how you can make the face mask for the oily skin removal, and this face mask I'm gonna let you know how you can make it at home with the natural ingredients. So for this face mask guys, we have needed only 2 ingredients, and later on I'm gonna let you know what ingredients we have needed. And because of this face mask guys, first of all you can remove your oiliness from your face, and second, these ingredients will help you out to maintain your pH level of your skin. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what ingredients we have needed. For this face mask guys, we have needed 2 ingredients. Number 1, we have needed the lemon, and number 2, we have needed the baking powder. So guys, these 2 ingredients we have needed for this solution. And guys, now I'm gonna let you know about the quantity, what quantity we have needed. For our lemon juice we have needed 1 tablespoon, and for the baking powder we have needed 2 tablespoons. So guys, now before starting our solution, I'm gonna let you know some benefits about the ingredients that you should know before applying on your skin. You must know what the benefits you are getting by applying this solution. Baking powder is an excellent ingredient for oily and clogged skin. It helps maintain the pH level of your skin and thus prevent breakouts. Lemon works as an antibacterial agent, preventing skin troubles, and also control oil secretion. Lemon also works as a lightening agent to lighten skin tone. So guys, these were the ingredients and the benefit what I have shared with you. Now we are going to our procedure where I will let you know how you can make the solution at home. So as I told you, we have needed the lemon juice and the baking powder, and I have shared with you the quantity. Now I'm gonna let you know how you can make it at home, and here I'm gonna share with you the complete procedure. First of all, we will take the lemon and we'll cut it out in 2 pieces, and here I am having an instrument that helps you out to make the lemon juice out. So just keep it like this and just squeeze it to have a fresh lemon juice. It's better to make a fresh lemon juice. Even if you are having before lemon juice with you, just it's preferred if you are taking the fresh lemon juice with you for this solution. So guys, that is the lemon juice what we have needed. So after the lemon juice we have needed the baking powder, and that is over with me, and this is the 1 tablespoon. So guys, that's the baking powder with me, and that I have discussed with you. So here is the spoon having the proper measurement. This spoon for 1 tablespoon, and as I told you, we have needed 2 tablespoons for this recipe. So do it like this, the 1 tablespoon, and the second one, this is our 2 tablespoons. So guys, this is the proper measurement, and now I have told you we have needed the 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice, and that is this. So just mix it out rapidly and make a smooth paste. So just it will take like 30 to 50 seconds. So after the 50 seconds your paste will be ready. So just shake it out rapidly and make your paste more smooth. So your paste is almost ready. What you have to do, just stir it for like 5 minutes, and then you can use it on your skin. So this is an applicator brush. You can use it if you are going to apply on your skin. So guys, now 5 minutes has been done. What you have to do, use the applicator brush, and then you can apply on your skin like this, and just keep in your mind, just make the smooth layer on your skin. If you want to make it like for 2 times, just double the quantity and apply on your skin smoothly. Follow the exact proportion. So by this way you can apply on your skin, and this is recommended. Don't put this solution on your skin more than 15 minutes, and you can use this solution once a week. If you guys apply this solution on your skin twice a week, then it could be dry your skin. So just put this solution on your skin once a week. It's highly recommended, and you can use 1 time in a week, and you cannot keep this solution at your refrigerator for a long time. So guys, that was the solution what I'm gonna share with you to remove the oiliness from your skin. So guys, that was the video for today. Next time I'll come with another solution, another helpful remedy for you. So till that time, take care.